Saving is a good start, but it's not enough. If your money is sitting in a savings account, it's actually slowly, invisibly losing money every single day thanks to inflation. The real way to grow your wealth is not winning the lottery or winning some weird insurance settlement. It's by slow, gradual, low-cost, long-term investing. By the way, investing is not sitting around picking stocks and you have these screens flying around. No, investing is much simpler than that. It's all about picking a low-cost investment and just automate your money into it. Maybe it's $50 a month, maybe it's $500 a month. All you need to do is set up that automation once and then get on with your life. Automation is one of the most powerful ways to grow your money. I get this question a lot. I don't want to automate my money because I want to have control over it. And my answer to you is, you should automate because you think you want control, but you really don't. When you automate your bill payments and all your money flowing from your checking account to your 401k, your IRA, your guilt-free spending, you can still check over it. You can still check everything and make sure it's working.